welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna G, and today I'm going to come to you all with a Dollar Tree haul for Valentine's Day / decorate with me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what we got for Valentine's Day just to decorate, and then my girls are going to come help me decorate. Basically going to be like our kitchen area that we're going to decorate in a little bit of the living room. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the actual haul and what we got. All right, so we got this Love Each Moment little hanging plaque. This is so cute, y'all. Tan, gold, and red. So we have that. Yeah, and it's glittery. So cute. That. We have this little kind of Cupid's arrow heart as well. Oh, yeah, this one. So cute. It's almost like the Christmas garland type stuff. And with a kind of like a styrofoam or something arrow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's glittery too. Some of these little foam hearts. I don't know what I'm gonna use for these. We'll see. I don't know if we're gonna decorate or put them on cabinets or the chalkboard. I don't know. But we got these little foam hearts, and it comes with red, pink, and purple. We have these LED light strings, and they're heart shaped, and they run by batteries. So got these, some tape to stick the stuff like on the, what is it, cabinets or wherever, chalkboard, where we're gonna stick it at. Got some tape, and then some of the self-adhesive hooks to put the stuff on there too.
Okay guys, so we got these little foam hearts. We're gonna use these as placemats. Got a little glitter on it. And we got these little heart things meant to hold down balloons, but we're just gonna use it for decoration. And we got some batteries for the LED lights. We got this little glass cup to put candy in. It says love. And we have another one. And we got 2 plates to go on our heart plate mats.
Okay, and then we have some red garland, and it has like hearts on it. Then we have this thing where we're gonna hang it up by the chalkboard. I think it says "Follow your heart." Then we have these bears that we're gonna put in the living room. There's a white one, pink one, and a red one. Two heart pillows, and when you go like this, they turn a different color. These are 2, yeah.
Tangled up.
So we have 2 of these. They're heart. The 2 heart things. This was
Just hanging the pool.
There's welcome, and at the bottom it says XOX. Alright y'all, now it's time for the candy. Okay, first thing we got right here is lollipops. It's stuck to your tongue. So the flavors are grape, blueberry, and strawberry. That's XOX, love you, and heart. Yes, we got 2 of them. And next we have cookies and cream heart, creamy candy with little kitty bits. Next we got white peanut butter heart, white chocolate shell filled with creamy home style peanut butter. fudge tart, soft creamy fudge, and rich chocolate shell.
I see everything around me changing again and again. Can't stay in this dead-end relation, 'cause it's fading to gray. I feel everything inside me changes over and over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is wasted, yeah, wasted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? We're running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we're left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again. Thought we'd make it but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. I know living in a lie ain't easy. I don't want it no more. I know one of us is going crazy if we don't let it go. I feel everything inside me changes all over again. Can't wait knowing that our love is tainted, yeah, tainted. We're running blind and we don't know why. Was it really what we had in mind? Running wild, only losing time. Yeah, we left here without love. We're out of time and time don't wait. We're in heaven but we lost our way. We're out of time again and again. Thought we'd make it but we lost in the end. Yeah, lost in the end. Out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. We're out of time again. Yeah, we lost in the end. Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new.